Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. In my house, I look forward to Saturday mornings. It's a day I get to sleep in and my husband takes care of breakfast and his go-to are waffles. He makes the fluffiest yet crispiest waffles and he makes a whole batch. We freeze the extra waffles and we have ready to serve breakfast whenever we want during the week. So, let's make some waffles today. First, turn on your waffle iron to preheat it. Now we'll make the batter. In a bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup sugar. And mix well. This is your dry mix. In a glass bowl, take 1.5 cups of milk and add 1 stick, that is 8 tablespoons of butter. Microwave this until the butter melts. Once the butter has melted, give it a good whisk and set it aside to cool. Now we are going to separate some eggs. Take 2 eggs and separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Set the egg yolks aside. Take the egg whites, add 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar and whisk it till it forms stiff peaks. The cream of tartar is completely optional. Now to check if your egg whites have become stiff peaks, just tip the bowl upside down. The egg whites won't fall. This means the egg whites are at stiff peaks. Once the milk and butter mixture has cooled, add half a cup of vegetable oil and mix well. Add the reserved egg yolks and whisk well. To this, add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract as well. Unfortunately, I forgot to film it, so you make sure that you add your vanilla extract. Pour the prepared wet ingredients into your prepared dry mix and whisk it till it's lump free. Now we are going to fold the egg whites into the batter. Do it in 2 to 3 batches until it is free of any streaks. Your waffle batter is ready. Now pour a ladle full of your waffle batter into your preheated waffle maker and let it cook till it is nice and golden brown. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes for my waffles to cook in my waffle maker. So adjust your cooking time according to your waffle maker. Now, the waffles are ready to be taken out. Look how golden brown they are. Take the waffle out and let it cool on a wire rack. The waffle will crisp up as it cools. Your delicious waffle is ready to be gobbled up. Top it with your favorite berries, Nutella or pancake syrup. Look at it, it's crispy on the outside and fluffy inside. Now, if you have extra waffles, don't worry, just put them in your ziplock bag and stick it in the freezer. When you crave for some waffles, put them in your toaster. My toaster is on level 2. The waffles come out crispy, fluffy and delicious. It's ready-made waffles anytime you need. Well, I hope you like this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe for more recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.